How to make and create a restaurant flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create restaurant flyer in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to canva.com, log into your account, go here, click on create a design and search for flyer. Click on flyer and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you have many templates. Go here and scroll down like this. After you scroll down you will find the restaurant flyer option. Click on see all and choose a template here, for example this one, and you can now edit the text and the pictures and everything. As you can see, it's so easy to edit. And yeah, after you finish editing the text and everything, go here, click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.